What do I do with the 8 hours I save from scrolling on my phone every single day? So first, to show you that I'm actually credible, I'm gonna show you my screen time real quick so that you can be the judge for yourself. So today it is the 13th of September, so that's why I start on that. I'll just scroll through this so you can see. I used to waste like 8 hours a day on my phone slash PC slash TV. I don't watch any TV anymore. I don't consume anything on my computer. I don't even watch YouTube videos. I don't watch short form content, nothing. And yeah, I think this will be good enough. So yeah, what do I spend my time that I save from scrolling on my phone a day? What do I spend that time on? So first, how did I get my screen time to that? You can click on the first link in the description to find out. That's not, you can do that, but I'll also tell you real quick. I went on something called the Onion method, which is a method that which I basically created. I didn't intend to create the Onion method. It just kind of accidentally happened. And basically what that means is you cut away one addiction at a time. So basically I define screen time as a group of addictions and not one addiction. And there's a bunch of like smaller addictions within that, like short form content, scrolling, and like looking at Instagram stories, and like the TV shows and movies. It's like two different ones, and then it's like the Mr. Beast YouTube videos, and then there's like the edutainment YouTube videos, and then there's this thing and that thing. So that's basically what I did. So here's what I spend my time doing now. I listen to audiobooks, I read books, I go for more walks, I do a lot of more work, like as you can see, like these videos, bro. I'm gonna start posting a fuck ton of reels because I believe that will help me out a ton. I look at this channel, bro. I've made videos for like 6 months on this channel, like consistently. I have like 150 videos, like 150 videos. I spend my time working, creating courses, helping the guys out, my clients, everything like that. And in truth, I don't fucking know what I'm spending my time on to be honest. It's just like time is just filled up. It's like I just spend more time doing other stuff. I got more time to like do other shit. It's like in truth, I don't really know what I'm spending my time on. I didn't like keep track of like everything. It's like basically everything I do now is just because of the fact that I don't scroll. So it's like that's just the honest truth. It's just like more time is spent doing other things. I got more time in the gym to get bigger, more time to like speak with family. I have a lot more responsibilities now than what I did before, so I spend a lot of time also like making dinner and shit like that, going for walks, like school, like homework, yeah, playing tennis, like work, shit like that, right? So that's kind of what my time is spent on. So it's basically just been spread over everything. But the overarching thing is like work. I've been able to do a lot more work, a lot more deep focused work. Like for example, this is the fifth YouTube, like long form YouTube video that I'm making today. And it's 9:04 a.m. Fuck. It's 9 a.m. 9:04. 9:04. Yeah, it's like 9 a.m. right? I woke up at 8. Not 8. I woke up before that. I woke up just naturally. And I'm just sitting here, I'm just recording these videos. And after this, I'll probably take a break. I'll go like drink a bit of water. And then I'll record a fuck ton of reels as well. So it's like, I've just been able to do a lot more work. And then after this, I'll go up to my PC. I'll edit this shit real quick, like boom, upload it. The reels, boom, upload it. I'll upload some more reels, everything like that. I made like 24 reels yesterday, like 24 reels from start to finish. Recording, everything like that. Editing, uploading, like 24 reels in a day. I don't think you understand the power in this, bro. Most people can't make one reel a day. They can't make one reel a day. That's too much. Oh no, I can't do it. I have to do this and this and this and that and this and that and this and that, bro. I made 24 reels in one day. Boom, done. And I had school and I had work. Easy. So yeah, the thing is just I have more time for everything now. I feel like kinda I have like a superpower, not gonna lie. This is not to like boast or anything. I feel like I have a superpower. I have like so much. It's like I feel like time in the day is not a constraint. I'm very busy, but I have all the time in the world. I can like pick up. I can start learning the piano if I wanted to, bro. I got so much time. But yeah, if you want to achieve the exact same thing that I've achieved, you can click on the first link in the description. It will force you to go from the position that you're in right now to someone who doesn't scroll at all in less than 60 days, guaranteed. So if you want my help with that, right now it's on sale. Not on sale, it's just I haven't finished all of the material in the community yet. So yeah, it's like 34% off or whatever. And What more do I want to say? Yeah, click on the first link in the description, take some action, and yeah, it's only a one-time purchase, so it will last you forever until the price goes up and up and up and up and up. You'll get it for $197 for life. So click on the first link in the description, take some action, have a good rest of the day. See you, brother.